Hey there, welcome back to Acrylic Arts Academy. Today, we're diving into the cosmos with an exciting tutorial on painting a meteorite sky. Let's get started. Here's the list of materials you'll need for this project. Pause to collect these items and restart when ready. This information is also available in the description below. Gather your supplies, and let's jump in. Start by preparing your canvas. Use a pencil to draw a simple curved line across the bottom third of the canvas as is shown here. This line will be a simple yet useful guide as we continue. Add the paint colors outlined in the materials list to your palette. Pause here if you need more time to prepare. Use a round brush and a stamping motion to add white paint to the area highlighted here. Follow our lead. You can add a thin coat of white acrylic paint as a base layer to help with blending, but it's not required. Next, let's create that stunning night sky. Using your flat brush or sponge, apply blue acrylic paint in the center of your canvas. Think of this as the core of our meteorite sky. Choose a very light blue when blending into the edges of the white center. Use any brush or sponge to blend these colors together seamlessly. As you continue to add paint around this oblong area, begin blending in slightly darker shades of blue. Use a stamping motion to blend these colors together softly. This will work best if you blend while both colors are still workable, meaning they are not yet dried. If you need more working time to blend, it's best to add a slow dry blending medium to your paints. If you want to learn how to use a medium like this to blend easier, check out the card in the upper corner of this video. We'll also link to it in the description below. From there, we'll start transitioning into purple by blending it around the blue's edges. Use circular motions to blend the two colors smoothly. Now, add black to the outermost edges of your canvas to give it that deep, outer space feel. As needed, touch up the edges and add more color to blend things together. Take your time until you're pleased with the look of things, even if you need to pause the video. Take your time blending the black into the purple, ensuring the colors transition smoothly for that soft cosmic gradient. Let it dry once you're happy with it before moving on. Now, it's time to bring the sky to life with some stars. Take your fan brush, dip it lightly into white paint, and flick it across the blue part of the canvas. This will create stars scattered across your night sky. Feel free to let them spread into the purple and black areas for a more natural look. Grab your small detail brush to add shooting stars, dip it in white, and gently drag it diagonally across the canvas to create a streak. You can vary the lengths and directions to make it more realistic. Next, let's add some depth with silhouettes of pine trees at the bottom of the canvas. Using black acrylic paint and a small detail brush, start at the base of the trees and work your way up, tapering to create that classic pine shape. Mix up the heights and shapes for a natural, forest-like feel. If you want to improve your tree painting skills, check out our tree painting tutorials. You can click the card in the upper right corner of the screen or find the link in the description below. To create depth, be sure to vary the heights of these trees. It's good to layer this area and add plenty of trees, however, please avoid covering the area completely with black paint. Too much black paint may diminish the look of these trees and take away the dimension of this scene. Leave tiny spaces between the trees if possible. If you add too much paint, simply use a detailer brush to add in pieces of the background between branches. Take your time until you're pleased with the look of things, even if you need to pause the video. For the final touches, deepen the sky by adding more blue and purple layers if needed. You can add a few more stars or details if it needs more sparkle. Step back and enjoy your cosmic masterpiece once you're satisfied with your meteorite sky. If you enjoyed painting with us today, don't forget to check out our book, Relax and Paint, 100 Inspiring Acrylic Prompts for Stress-Free Creativity. It's a wonderful way to continue your painting journey with fun, relaxing projects while supporting our mission here at Acrylic Arts Academy. You'll find the link in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. If you had fun, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more creative tutorials, and check out our other videos here on YouTube. Happy painting, and we'll see you in the next one.